England starts digging out from the big blizzard of 78.
The snow lasted for 2 days, dumping a record-breaking 27 inches on both Providence and Boston. The storm proving too much for crews, stranding plows and cars on the highways. Our meteorologist TJ Del Santo will have a look at this historic blizzard coming up new at 5. But right now, Chief Meteorologist Tony Petracca is in the Weather Center. And Tony, we know that this has been sort of an active week that we've had so far, and we've got some more snow coming up tomorrow, but not a blizzard.
No, and probably not as much as what we had with the last storm. But, you know, after really a quiet and relatively mild January didn't really finish cold until the last week. Now winter's been kicking in. For starters, all of this week is going to be much colder than average with several chances for snow. And the next one, as mentioned, coming up for tomorrow. In the meantime, blue sky, sunshine, cold in places like Newport. Take a look outside. Again, heading out this evening, there's no snow other than what's on the ground, but nothing coming out of the sky. Will stay cold and dry this evening and right on through the overnight hours. We take it in North Scituate right now, intersection of 101 and 102 with a fresh blanket of snow and cold temps. It's in the 20s in most areas right now and staying cold overnight. So we take a look at our threat tracker, which is low for tonight, and we bump it up to yellow for tomorrow with snow likely starting in the morning. The start times between about 7 and 9 a.m. Some accumulations, not a whole bunch and not as much as the last storm, but I mean, obviously it doesn't take much of an accumulation for this to happen. So there'll be some slippery travel mid to late morning and through the afternoon. We're actually drying out tomorrow night. Then we're back to sunshine on Wednesday. It's really an up and down week as far as, you know, one day's dry, the next day you've got precipitation. Satellite and radar composite showing the clear skies across New England. This doesn't look like much. You don't have that classic kind of signature of a storm here in the Midwest, but there is a strip of moisture that is headed our way for tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon. It's actually along a boundary of cold and mild air. You see the Arctic air to the north, mild air to the south, and really where you have this clash between you know, cold and relatively mild, it's usually where you get your active weather, right along the boundary. And what side of the boundary you're on will determine if you get snow, rain, or both. For most of us, this is going to be in the form of snow. Along the coastline, a little rain will be mixing in, but you can see that moisture approaching tomorrow morning and into tomorrow afternoon, and then leaving tomorrow evening, tomorrow night. So obviously we're going to bring it in even closer. Watch the time bar. Cold and dry this evening and overnight. Here's the leading edge of the snow. It's about 7, 8 a.m. crossing the Connecticut-Rhode Island border. Blue is all snow. Snowing at noontime. There'll be some occasional mixing, maybe a little rain along the coastline, especially out towards the Cape. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we're still snowing, but notice by 6 o'clock in the evening, most of this is pulling away, and then later tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, skies are clearing out. So based on the fact that where it stays colder, in this blue zone, the northern third of Rhode Island, northeastern Connecticut, 3 to 5 inches of snow. Providence Metro, Warwick, Cranston, Fall River, Taunton, most of Kent County, northern portions of Washington County, a general 1 to 3. So as little as 1 to as much as 3. And along the coastline where temperatures may be above freezing a better part of the day, maybe in a little rain mixing in, about a coating to an inch of snow. And that'll all be realized by late day and into the early evening hours. Just cold and dry for tonight. Look at that 6 a.m. temperatures down to 18. And here comes the snow tomorrow morning. Extra travel time, slick roads, poor visibility. Temperatures rising to about 32 by afternoon, and cloudy skies on your Tuesday with mainly snow, a little mixing along the coastline, and a high temperature not much higher than 32. 7-day forecast. We catch a break on Wednesday. Both Thursday and Friday at this point appear to be just snow showers and flurries, but stay tuned. Another storm potential on Valentine's Sunday with some snow and rain, and temperatures upper 20s to low 30s. WPRI.com interactive radar and 7-day forecast. Brian and Mike.